All right, so let's get started here. So I probably need some tongs. What we've done so far is I have some bacon that's been cooking. Um, the bacon is from Butcher Box, came in the mail. We took the asparagus, we just took it where it was. We threw this away, and this is went in some boiling water. Got this in the boiling water. The bacon is in here, cooking away. You could just use olive oil if you wanted. Probably should have dried that off first, as you can hear. We're going to get that going. You use just olive oil. You probably would want to add some salt at this point. And then just going to keep this just going for a minute. We'll just saute that. And that's doing all right. And then we have some shrimp or prawns, depending on where you live. This is 0.185 pounds. So, not a ton. It's already peeled and the whole dooley bopper, so it was like $12 a pound. Here's a peek. Just gonna roll that around. So we're just cooking the shrimp. So again, one more time. Boiled the asparagus. Got some bacon going. Cooking the shrimp just until it's cooked. And then what we're going to do, I have some garlic here. It's the only knife I have right this second. I'm not going to add it quite yet. Let me finish cooking the shrimp. I'm going to just let that sit here for just a second. Shrimp's taking a while to cook for some reason. See if you can see it. What we got so far. It's looking pretty good. I am going to get rid of some of this oil. What we're looking at right here. Put that back down, turn it to low. Add in the garlic. And we are going to try to put these eggs in super fast. Stir them up. There's that. I'm going to add some salt, just a little. Get some salt in there. Put the salt up. Trash, trash, trash. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. We are going to, well, this is all just one big pile. We have some parsley. Let's get that parsley on there. We can get rid of the stems. We are going to plate it. We are going to put that there, and let us take a look at what we have.